Hello friends, welcome to our channel Fall for Food, and today we are going to make a very special Bengali fish curry, that is Tel Koi. This is called a koi fish. It's also called the walking fish, okay, because it can walk on land for some times. And climbing perch, it's called a climbing perch. And this fish is a very, it's a delicacy for the Bengali homes, and it's usually eaten with plain rice. Now I will apply some turmeric and salt, a little salt to fry the fish, and a little mustard oil, Now my kadai is already hot and I am pouring in some oil. Now this is Tel Koi, so it has enough amount of oil in it. Now we have to fry the fish, apply it nicely. If you can do it 15 minutes before, it's better. Now if your oil is hot, we will have to fry the fish. I need to heat my oil a little more. And please use mustard oil for it, because that gives the right flavor to it. Do not overcook it, because then the fish will become rubbery. Now this curry is very light on spices. It is a little heavy on oil, because as the name goes, it is Tel Koi. Tel means oil in Bengali, and koi is the fish. That is the Bengali name for the fish, the climbing perch. Fry it for a minute or two on each side and remove it. Now there is not much into it. You need, I have taken 1 tablespoon of whole cumin seeds or jeera seeds and 2 red chili. Spice is according to your taste. And I have used ginger, that is about an inch of ginger, and I soaked it. It needs about an hour to be soaked before grinding. If you are in a hurry, you can soak it in hot water, and it will be done within 15 minutes. You soak it and then you grind it. Now this is what I have ground: the cumin seeds, the red chili, dry red chili, and the ginger. My fish is fried. Let's remove it. In the same oil, put in a teaspoon of Nigella seeds, that is kala jeera. Put in your paste, the ground paste. And half teaspoon of salt. Fry the masala well. Now in case you are in a hurry and you do not have time to grind the paste, then what you can do is use powder spices. You use 2 teaspoons of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. That will also work. Of course, ground spices always give you a better taste. Fry it up nicely and put in about a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Fry it up nicely. Put in half cup of water. Put in your fishes. And let them cook. It has to cook covered for about 10 minutes. Because it has to take in all the juices. You have to cook it till it comes on oil. I just put in a little water that was in the bowl that I made this ground spices. Just add that. Cook it on high heat for 10 minutes. Just toss the fish a little. Now friends, it's come on oil and your Tel Koi is ready. Please do try it and let us know how everybody likes it. Now it's ready to be served. Put in some green chilies at the end. They give you a lovely flavor. Your Tel Koi is ready.